Hey, we're going to be doing a video tour of the Best Western Plus in Wilmington, North Carolina. I'm staying on the 4th floor. We're going to be doing a room tour of room 407. It's been a pretty nice hotel. Hallways a little warm this time of year in North Carolina. There's nothing you can really do about that. But here we are, room 407. Go ahead and go in. These doors are pretty sticky. I've been having a little bit of trouble with that. It's one of the only real complaints. But yeah, you can definitely hear how it sticks quite a bit. So here, starting at the beginning, we have our fire map on the door. For security, we have just small peephole, the door latch, and the deadbolt. So that's all good. As we turn to the right, we have the bathroom. Kind of small, but it does have a lot of good space to get ready in the morning on the counter. I do like the lights around the mirror. That's really nice. You have an ice bucket and plenty. They've been giving me towels about every day, so that's been really good. The shower here, just a stand-up shower, no tub. Water pressure's been really good though, so no complaints there. And as we go out and turn into the main living area, we do have a little bench there to put your stuff on. We do have this nice full-length mirror, which is really big. You can actually, it's really nice in the morning to get ready. We do have the cabinet that has the mini fridge, and we do have a microwave. I've used it a couple times, but we do have this really nice big screen TV here in the room mounted on the wall, and a nice little working desk with the Keurig style coffee maker. They do provide coffee, and they actually had some tea as well. They do have outlets, and they do actually work. I tested them. I actually have my phone charger plugged in, but it also has USB A and C ports, and like I said, they do work, so that's always nice when they do. Lamp, nice desk chair, pretty comfortable. And over here, pretty standard chair, nothing fancy. A little shelf you can do work on, or I've been storing my gym bag on it. We do have a really nice lamp over here. It also has a plug-in, an alarm clock. This is a king-size room, so the bed's pretty big. Pillows, pretty average hotel pillows, but they do the job. They do give you like 5 on a king mattress, which is nice. And like I said, over here, not a lot going on. They do, you're in the South when they provide a, Bible. It's always nice. So overall, it's a pretty nice room, pretty good size. I have been noticing lately a lot of hotels going kind of to the fake hardwood and more tile, which I kind of like, better for hygiene. And here in the South you get a lot of issues with pest control, so I think that makes a lot of sense. Also, the air conditioning unit, it's been real humid. I'm here at the end of July, and it's been really humid, so the air conditioner's had a little trouble keeping up, but it looks like it's probably an older unit, but it is keeping the room fairly cool. We'll take a look outside. Not much of a view for me on the 4th floor, kind of in the back parking lot. Just some trees and the swimming pool down there. So yeah, that's really about it for this room tour. Overall, pretty good experience. If you're ever in North Carolina, Wilmington area, it's definitely an option. Prices have been varying a little bit. I paid about $115 a night plus tax. All right, hope you enjoyed the room tour. I'll see you guys next time.